Hi everyone, here with just a really quick as seen on TV video to show you one item that I picked up recently before I serve our dinner. So what you're seeing in that pan is this gem. This is the Whatever Pan by Jean Patrick Professional Cookware. Now I saw this on Instagram, and this is a great alternative if you either don't have a grill, maybe you live in a townhouse or an apartment and you don't have a grill, or it's raining outside and you can't get your chicken or pork chops on the grill. Well, look at this amazing pan. So this gives you, look how great that looks with these burgers. This is fantastic. I've made pork chops on this. We did some steaks, and it tastes just off the grill. I highly recommend this Whatever Pan. Now, the other cool thing about it is it also comes with a nifty top, and I put that on the top there, and then look at this. Just a cool place to hold your spoon. How nifty is that? So I love little gadgets like this, but this is a great alternative if you don't have access to a grill. I will recommend the add-on item that you should get with this as well. So with this pan, you can also get these silicone pads for the sides. Obviously, I highly recommend that because when you're cooking, the entire pan is going to get really hot. So if you want to move it, you don't want to touch it after it's been heating up on your stove top. So definitely get the additional bands here. I wish I could remember the cost, but I will tell you, this wasn't as seen on the internet. I saw this on Instagram, had to have it, probably paid around 40 bucks for it, and it's fantastic. It has been just a nice replacement for the grill since we don't happen to have one at the moment. And it makes amazing burgers. Again, I made bone-in pork chops in this and some steaks, and they came out perfectly. So, go get one of these. Jean Patrick Professional Cookware. It's called the Whatever Pan. Comes with the glass lid with the nifty spoon holder. And definitely pick up the other side items with these silicone handles, and that way you won't burn your hands. Hope you enjoy. You're gonna love, love, love this pan.